Welcome back to Learning with the Difference. Today's news headlines for school morning assembly. On bioweapons used in Russia-Ukraine war, India's strong stand at UN meet. India-US military-to-military relationship at highest point, US chief. PM Modi met his mother in Gujarat and had dinner with his mother. Weekly domestic flights increased by 10.1%, aviation regulator. India records over 4,000 new COVID cases, 255 deaths in 24 hours. New government in Manipur before March 19, Chief Minister N. Byron Singh. And now some international news. Ukraine war, Biden EU G7 announced further sanctions on Russia. US allies to end normal trade relations with Russia. Russian media regulator restricts access to Instagram. Putin shows no sign of engaging in diplomacy. US Vice President Kamala Harris. Biden warned direct NATO Russia clash would trigger World War III. Now, some sports news. Indian Wells Andy Murray rallies to beat Taro Denny for milestone 700th win. Ex politician Bernd Neuendorf is new boss of embattled German Football Association. German Open. Lakshya Sen beats HS Pranoy to enter semis. Kidambi Shrikant out. And these are today's news headlines. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.